Mega shout out, welcome to Pure Stone Heart, and this is my another videos. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, please do like and subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be able to update or be updated on my latest video. But for now guys, I will do my most favorite videos. Again, another unboxing. So again, I'm wearing this one, a reindeer, what do you call this one, headband. That means symbolizes Christmas. But for today's video guys, I will do the unboxing. My student give me a present. This one, I don't know what is this, so I want to brag. Thank you so much. So this is what I received this morning. I don't know what is this, and a pair of, what's this? Forever 21 jacket. Oh my god. Forever 21 jacket. How much is this? Tinago ang presyo. Forever 21 jacket. Thank you so much. Wow, I love this one guys. Maybe this one will suit me. Forever 21 jacket. Thank you so much. And then let's check what is this one. And it says here, the card says, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Wishing you a season filled with peace and love and no lesson planning. Ha ha ha. And Happy New Year, Sir Jimson. Love ya, Jen. There's. Thank you so much, Jen, for the gift, for the notes. And then, I don't know what is this. Let's see. Let's check. Let's open. Oh, guess. 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 So, I mean, let's see. What's this? Guess. What is the guess? I guess this one. This one. Guess. Okay, thank you so much. Stainless steel. Thank you so much. So this is a guess. Jewelry. There is a card. Authenticity card. Oh. So really this is a, oh my god, I'm so surprised guys. Guess. And this is the authentic or authenticity card. Oh my goodness. What's this? So thank you so much, my dear student, for choosing this one. Stainless steel. Thank you so much. Much love. Mega love shout out. Thank you. Merry Christmas and thank you so much for watching. Much love. Spread love and positivity. Merry Christmas to all.